Folks, I'd like to welcome you on this family cruise vacation vlog series as we cruise the Western Mediterranean on board the beautiful Symphony of the Seas. Come along as we journey through 3 different countries, making stops in Barcelona and Palma de Mallorca, Spain, Provence, France, as well as cities and towns in Italy such as Lucca, Pisa, Rome, and Sorrento. Not only that, we're also going to experience some onboard activities, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get an update as soon as I have uploaded a video. So, where are we off to now, Michelle?
Good morning, folks. We just arrived here in Rome. I was not able to really film so much this morning because we are in such a hurry. Our excursion for today starts at 7:30. It's going to be a long day because I think this excursion is about 11 hours. So I will catch up with the rest of the team and we'll see you guys soon.
We're starting our day at the port of Civitavecchia, where we'll be taking a 1-hour bus ride to the capital city of Italy, the beautiful Rome. Our first stop for this excursion is to the Vatican City, where we'll explore the museum on a guided walking tour. From there, we're heading to the famous and massive St. Peter's Basilica. Our next stop is to the Trevi fountain. By the time we got there, I would say it was already pretty crowded. We took a quick lunch break before making our way on foot to the famous Palatine Hill, making quick stops at other famous landmarks. Our final stop for today is the magnificent Colosseum. This massive amphitheater has so much history. It still amazes me how they were able to build this ancient landmark in the years 70 to 80 AD.
Folks, we are back here in the ship. I'm all dressed and ready to go for dinner tonight. I had to change because it was such a long day and I felt like I needed to change and freshen up. Anyway, we're off to dinner as usual. It was such a beautiful day, exhausting but beautiful. We got to see the Colosseum, Vatican City, as well as the Trevi fountain. So that was such an awesome day that we were able to actually squish all of those in one long day. Anyway, that was just my quick update for you guys. I will see you at dinner.
The Hush Party or Silent Disco is one of my absolute favorite activities on board. As you can tell by the name, it is a silent party. People wear a pair of headphones where they are able to choose between 2 stations and dance along to its music. Well, as for the outside world,
YMCA, YMCA.
we are wrapping up the night at the promenade for some 80s dance party.
Folks, that is it for tonight. We have one more excursion tomorrow in Naples. It'll be another early start, so we'll see you tomorrow in Naples, Italy. Good night.
Formal day part 2.